Imagine being able to understand how a machine, a factory, or even an entire city operates in real time, all without leaving your desk. Digital twins make that possible, and professionals who learn how to use this technology are becoming increasingly valuable across industries. These virtual replicas are driving incredible transformation across industries, and as a result, professionals who can design, analyze, and optimize them are in demand. The careers powering this technology are opening doors to some of the most exciting, future-ready roles out there. Before we explore the jobs themselves, let's take a closer look at what digital twins are. These virtual models of real-world systems are connected to real-time data. Think of it as giving engineers, analysts, and decision-makers a mirror into operations. But this mirror can also simulate what-if scenarios. You can test changes, predict failures, and optimize processes without ever disrupting the real system. This isn't small-scale stuff. The global digital twin market is projected to hit $155.8 billion by 2030, growing at a whopping 34% annually. That means companies across manufacturing, energy, transport, and even healthcare are scrambling to build teams that understand both the digital models and the physical systems they represent. So, what does a digital twin professional do? The roles vary, but the core is about bridging the physical and digital worlds. You'll typically analyze real-world data from IoT devices, sensors, and machines. Then, you'll integrate it into a digital twin model. Need to predict bottlenecks in production lines or optimize buildings' energy use? Digital twins let you run simulations to do just that. Some positions focus more on engineering. For example, you might work on developing the twin itself, programming simulations and ensuring accuracy. Others lean into analytics, interpreting insights from the twin to inform real-world decisions. The point is, whether you're building the model or applying its insights, your work directly impacts operational efficiency. And you'll find solid opportunities out there because many manufacturers are already adopting this technology. Research reveals that around 75% of companies are investing in digital twins, with uses ranging from product development to asset management. That's a real-world impact. If you're part of these teams, your work doesn't just sit on a screen. It drives decisions that save millions and transforms operations. A typical day in this career is dynamic and hands-on. Mornings might start by reviewing the latest sensor data from machines or systems. You're checking for anomalies, analyzing trends, and feeding insights into the twin so the virtual model stays accurate. As the morning flows into midday, you shift into collaboration mode. You could be talking with engineers, data scientists, or operations managers. You'll mull over new production layouts, test them virtually, and assess potential efficiency gains. The conversation bridges insights and action, making sure your digital model translates into practical, measurable improvements. Afternoons often involve hands-on modeling and simulation, running what-if scenarios to see how systems react under stress or how changes can improve performance. Then, you take those results and feed them back into the model. Every tweak, adjustment, and real-world outcome helps the twin become smarter. Toward the end of the day, you're analyzing performance dashboards. Scanning for anomalies and interpreting results is essential for continuously optimizing processes. Instead of a rigid routine, the job is an ongoing cycle of observing, experimenting, and refining. It's a seamless blend of data analytics, AI, and real-world operations. To thrive, you need a mix of technical and workplace skills. A foundation in data analytics, modeling, and IoT systems is essential. Familiarity with programming tools like Python or tools like MATLAB is useful, though some roles allow for low-code or no-code solutions. Problem-solving and systems thinking are key, because small changes in one part of the system can ripple across the entire operation. Communication is equally important. You need to be able to share your insights with other members of the team and translate complex simulations into actionable decisions. And technical fluency matters. Even if you're not coding full-time, you'll need to navigate digital platforms, simulation software, and increasingly, AI-enhanced modeling tools. Breaking into the field often starts with a degree in engineering, computer science, data science, or industrial systems. Hybrid backgrounds like physics or operations research are also valuable. And gaining some practical experience building small-scale digital twins, experimenting with IoT data, or simulating workflows can demonstrate your skills. Career growth is fast-moving. Entry-level roles might include digital twin analyst or simulation specialist, moving up to digital twin engineer, senior analyst, or digital twin program manager. With experience, you could even lead AI integrated operations teams, managing fully autonomous or semi-autonomous systems. And the future is even more exciting. As AI, IoT, and real-time analytics converge, digital twins are evolving into self-optimizing systems. They won't just simulate, they'll predict, prevent, and optimize in real time. Companies are seeking professionals who can not only build these systems, but also interpret, guide, and improve them. You'll be the one bridging the gap gap between digital and physical worlds. In short, this is a career where curiosity, creativity, and analytical thinking collide. You'll be constantly learning, adapting, and innovating, and your work will directly shape the future of industries worldwide. Digital twins are more than models. They're the future of operations, innovation, and strategic decision-making. Check out the links in the description for resources to help you step in now, build in-demand skills, and position yourself where data, AI, and the real world meet, where your work can create a massive impact.